Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. We're looking at these. They are Active Chews Hip and Joint. I've been using them for years with my dog Genetti Spaghetti. You can see that's the one that is almost out. This is our refill, the next container. That's essentially unopened. And yeah, I'm a big fan of these. They're made in the USA. They provide great hip and joint support for my little Beagle mix, which you've probably already seen on screen. We'll do some overlays of both her being fairly active for a 16-plus-year-old dog and how much she likes the taste of them. She thinks she gets a treat every morning and every evening with her meals. I know that it's good for her. So glucosamine, turmeric, MSM, a few other things that you can't easily pronounce in there. When I went to my vet, I talked about the fact that my dog was having a hard time getting up and down her stairs. She goes upstairs every night to go to bed. She comes down them. She has a hard time with them. She said doc said her joints were hurting, and Dr. Tyson recommended Active Chews. They're made in the USA. I get 120 chews, so this lasts me 60 days because I do 2 a day because my Beagle's just over 30 pounds, and it says the daily amount for a 30 to 60 pound dog is 2 chews. 60 to 100 is 3 chews and 100 pounds or more, 4 chews a day. Daily amount for less than 30 pounds is 1 chew. Now, there's a lot of really good things in here. Glucosamine, which you'll see in a lot of supplements for people. You'll see MSM, there's 500 milligrams. There's organic turmeric, 150 milligrams, yucca, all sorts of stuff, including black pepper. The black pepper is very important. A lot of the supplements don't have that because black pepper is a way that your body absorbs nutrients. So you'll see black pepper in your higher end professional supplements for both people and apparently for dogs. So I got the chicken flavor. It's 16.9 ounces. Like I said, this pack with my size dog is gonna last me a good 60 days. If you have a smaller dog, this will last you 120 days. And it's made a marked difference in the health of my Beagle mix, Jeanette. We picked her up from the Montgomery area Humane Society 15 and a half years ago. She's at least 16 years old because she was a full-grown dog when we got her. And you know what? She's been a wonderful pet. Bob Barker's right about helping control the pet population, but she's absolutely fantastic. And if you're looking to improve the quality of life of your dog, hip dysplasia, with those bad joints, with those aches and pains, and just letting them move around a little bit better, this makes a real difference. I've noticed a difference in her ability to get up and down stairs, her overall health, and she seems happier throughout the day. So, has coconut glycerin, it does taste good, and it says, dogs were built to move, but playtime over the years can take its toll on your hips and joints. Our hips and joint chews are specifically formulated to promote mobility, so your four-legged friend can keep running circles around you for years to come. So don't wait. Your dog is not too old for this. Any age dog that's an active dog or a big dog should be taking these. I'm a big fan. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. I only show you products I own, I love, and I'm sure you're gonna love. Well, guess what? I own this. I love this. I'm sure you're going to love it. Go ahead and pick yours up. Pick up a couple, and yeah, Genetti loves hers. Again, she gets it in the morning with her breakfast. She gets it in the evening with her dinner, and she's never been happier. All right, folks, thanks again for watching. Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Adios, amigos.